VDM, my brother, I love you. I love you. Big love. I love VDM, die. VDM, my blood. Wait. So guys, like I said, tomorrow I will be live in Onitsha main market in Mekofo. Live in Onitsha Mekofo. Catch me live in Mekofo by 12 p.m. tomorrow, Saturday. So I'll be happy to see you guys. We have a lot of things to give out. So I can't wait to see my fans in Emeko. This is my first time coming to Emeko after, I would say after 9 years. After 9 years. So see you there in Emeko. Big love. Thank you.